Welcome back, All Things Outdoors Ohio. Today's a really special video because I have a sponsor today. Our sponsor of today's video is Camojojo. Big shout out to Camojojo for hooking me up with this solar panel. And today I'm going to break down what's in the box and how to use it. First off, comes with instructions on how to install it. We'll be using those a little bit later. And this is your manual. Shows you pretty much how to set it up and what's in the box. So to start, we have, of course, the actual solar panel. So it looks like just like this. It's got a little lock on it to keep it all on. What else? We also have a quick start mount, which looks like this. So here's some pieces of your mount. Here later in the video I'll show you how to hook it up. Then of course you have your mounting strap, how to put it against the tree. So you have your A and B cables. I'll show you what that means later on. And you also have your USB. And of course all your tools and screws that you need. So that's really it. That's all you need to go out and set this solar panel up. So here coming up next, I'll show you how to hook this baby up. Step 1, you grab the piece of the mounting bracket and put it on the panel. Step 2, you grab the other piece of the mounting bracket and put them together. Step 3, you grab the small screw and begin to screw the two mounting panels together into the tree. Step 4, you begin to grab your strap and put it around the tree and get it prepared for the screws. You then grab the 4 screws and start to screw each corner in. All 4 screws, including the tool, all come involved in the kit. Step 5, you get your panel and you start to screw it on the mounting bracket. Step 6, you grab cable A and or cable B and you hook them together, and you put the end of cable 1 in the bottom of the panel, and then you stick the other end of cable B or the other end of A into your trail camera. And this is your final step.
Yeah.